Okay.
Unlike the NBA, the PBA is going backwards. Instead na recognizing na, oh, may isang tao dito, malaki ang platform, pogi, may bagong show dyan siyang kasama na medyo pogi din. So, kunin natin, i-credential natin kasi makakatulong to sa atin. Instead, kinuna ng credential. Tapos pinadalhan na ng picture, oh, okay, gamitin mo yan, pero i-credit mo kami. You know what they call that, Pao? It's called a one-sided relationship. It is a toxic relationship that you shouldn't be a part of. Credential me or credential me. Or not credential me, di ba? Pero don't send me pictures. Don't give me your half love. Don't tell me na di tayo pwedeng mag-girlfriend pero pwede mo ako bigyan ng ice cream once in a while. Pwede mo ako i-treat sa restaurant pero hindi tayo pwede mag-relationship. That's bullshit. It's either you credential me and then you don't. You just close the door, wala tayong relationship. But you don't tell me wala kaming credentials pero, oh, ito ha, pictures, i-credit mo kami ha. That's nonsense.